Hey, what's up guys? Wanted to make a video for you today sharing with you a new niche that I found that is starting to trend and starting to get some sales. This one is in the political niche. It's basically a pro-Trump and an anti-Biden shirt. So the phrase is, "You raided the wrong president." This is in reference to what happened last week with the FBI raiding former President Trump's house. And you're going to see that there's only 264 results, and some of these are already starting to sell with C250, 602. Now some of the other ones don't have BSRs, but remember that could be because they just haven't updated. There's been lots of times where I get sales on my t-shirts and I check to see what the BSR is, and it says rank not found. So don't be fooled by this. This could be a popular niche here. Usually pro-Trump shirts tend to sell very well. So do anti-Biden shirts also tend to sell very well. So this could be a good opportunity for us. Now, a lot of the time when I show these like political shirts, a lot of people are like, "Oh, is this safe? Is this gonna get my account in trouble?" What I would recommend is just if you want to play it safe, just use the phrase "You rated the wrong president" for the title and for the brand, and just leave out any word that might get you in trouble. Like don't use like Trump, MAGA, Biden. Just leave all those words out and just use the phrase. Now, me personally, when I do these, upload these, I do use the word Trump. I do use the word MAGA, and I've been okay with that. Or I've been okay. I haven't gotten in trouble or anything like that. But if you're nervous and you don't want to take the risk, then just play it safe and just do the phrase that you rated the wrong president. All right, and you should be fine. If we go to test, you'll see you rated the wrong president is not trademarked. All right, and when we check out the competition on these other platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, you're going to see that basically nothing pops up. There's not even a shirt yet up on Etsy. Redbubble, I think there's just kind of maybe 2 designs for Redbubble. So they're using the messy bun, and then this is the same one that's on Amazon. And then let's take a look at TeePublic. I think there was just 1, so very little competition. So this could be a good opportunity for us merch sellers to make some money, because like I said, usually these political t-shirts tend to sell very well, especially pro-Trump or anti-Biden shirts. And then one other thing that I wanted to show you was that yesterday I actually had a high sales day. I got 12 sales. I didn't get a whole bunch of royalties, but what I wanted to show you is that I had one t-shirt that sold 7 times, and this t-shirt or this niche is actually one of the videos that I made a few weeks ago. So if I go to my channel right here, it was actually this video right here is one of the back to school ones. Yeah, this video right here, I was talking about some designs, some niches where you do senior 2023 and then you cross niche it with like a high school sport. And so that was one of the designs that sold very well for me. It didn't make me a whole bunch of money, but now what I've done is I've basically bumped up the price. Usually I start my price at like $13.09 or $13.99, and then once I get some sales, I'll slowly bump it up to like $14.99, $16.99, $17.99, and if I'm feeling really confident, then I'll bump it all the way up to $19.99. But the point I'm trying to make here is that make sure to subscribe to my channel so that when I get new niches out like this, you can design for them and hopefully get some sales like this. All right. So this is the niche. Go ahead and get some designs up, put them on all the products, all the platforms, and hopefully you get some money. All right. So thanks for watching the video. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, and make sure to click the bell so that you never miss a video. All right. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.